Hi, welcome to the Food Zone, aka Batman in the Kitchen, Dansoy Cook. Welcome to my channel, and let's take this journey together where we learn recipes as one. This week we have been doing semi-homemade meals. Next week the same. You don't always have to make everything from scratch and homemade. You can buy quality, natural, and organic products and put it together. I think that shows really great creativity on you and me. So let's take this journey together. We'll also do some more next week. So this one's a garlic butter 5 cheese chicken parm sandwich. So thanks for visiting my channel. Hit the bell for updates, and new people hit subscribe. Love you. See you in the kitchen. Welcome to the kitchen as we take this journey together, learning new recipes. For this recipe we have the Kaiser rolls. They're really good. You could use whatever you want. We have garlic butter. If you don't want to buy garlic butter, you can make it. There's plenty of recipes online and even on YouTube. We're using this 4 cheese Rayo sauce. It's really good. I'll have to list all the cheeses in the description. I got some extra garlic if I want to add to the sandwich. I got this basil plant that's on its last leg. I ended up cutting some of it up, but I bought this for the lasagna one, so I'm gonna use that. I have mozzarella, of course, and I have the Naked Truth flame grilled chicken fillets. These are already cooked. This is really good quality. This saves you a lot of time. I really don't have to cook it. Like later I might just throw it in the pan just to warm it up a bit, but they're really good quality. You can see that it's gluten free, and I use this product all the time. I don't get a paid endorsement from them, and I don't get paid to promote their product, but Naked Truth is really good. I buy this like 3 or 4 times a week. So we're gonna start by putting some garlic butter in the pan, and then we're gonna take the buns and put it in there and toast the buns. So be back. All right, so I have the garlic butter in there, and you can see how it's melting. You want to cover that whole pan. I'm coming to you in super high definition 1080p. Some of my videos are 4K, and some of them are high definition 1080p. So just let that butter melt, and the thing we're going to do is well, actually that's garlic butter. Let that melt, and then we're going to cut these buns in half and put them in there. You can see the butter's already sizzling. Alright YouTube, so you can see how the butter's in there. I got the stove on medium. See how it's sizzling? And just move these buns around. If you wanted to do the other side you can, but I'm not. I'm just trying to see how that's getting a little bit brown. So just keep turning them and keep your stove on either low or medium. Definitely not above medium. So thanks for taking this journey with me, and I really appreciate it. I didn't make this before, and like I said, most of my recipes are new. So I learn as you learn. I'm going to go back soon and start cooking my mother's recipes. A lot of them I've cooked before, or I cooked with her, but a lot of the stuff on my YouTube now is new, and I'm learning. I do a lot of research and thinking. So you just want to keep doing that to that gets brown. If you have to, add more butter. Alright, so we're done. We have the stove off, and I put a little bit of char to this, but you can see the quality. That's the garlic butter we got into there, but this is your cook, so you could do it kind of lightly, or you could do it darker, but I can promise you it tastes good. So if you want that, try that, or if you want it darker, like I said. Now we'll just do the chicken. Yeah, like I said, I love doing semi-homemade because you can do your own creation. So we did that. I got the thing nicely toasted. Now the thing you're going to want to do is just open this chicken breast. This one's already flame broiled and grilled, and you could throw it in there and just warm it up. But if you wanted to, you could throw it in the microwave. After you do that, you can throw the cheese on and the other stuff. If you want, you could keep it warm, and then when you put it to that plate, put it to your bun, you could throw the cheese in, and it should get warm in there. If worse comes to worse, you could always throw it on the microwave to melt the cheese. But I'm trying to do this without using the oven. It's summer and it's really hot, so you don't want to heat up your house. And then we're also going to use this. So let me just open this chicken breast, put it in the pot, and then we'll be going. All right, YouTube, so we're back. We have that already pre-cooked grilled chicken breast. We're going to put the stove on low. If you want, you can just drizzle some sauce in there to get it warm for your sandwich. You really don't have to. So let that just stay in there. You see it sizzling. You can turn it a couple times, so just keep it between low and medium. Alright, so YouTube, we're almost there. I actually turned my stove up to medium. You can see I got that chicken breast that's already pre-cooked. I got the sauce, and I got some garlic. So we're gonna just warm this, and then when it's to our liking, we're just gonna transfer it to this garlic bread bun and top it with cheese, and we're done. Alright, so we moved the chicken to the bun, and now we're gonna just throw some garlic and sauce on there, and then some cheese, and we're done. So we have the fresh garlic on there now, and we're just gonna sauce it and put some cheese on. But you can customize this to whatever you want. Alright, so we have the sauce on there, and you can see our chicken sandwich. Chicken parm. So you can really make this in a couple minutes. If you want, you could use your microwave. Alright, so we put the cheese on there, and that's a pretty thick sandwich. So that'll continue to melt. Now you can see that's our sandwich. So it doesn't take long to do semi-homemade meals, and you can take pride. Alright, so there you have it, YouTube. There's our garlic bread 5 cheese chicken parm sandwich. So it's really easy to do, and like I said, if you wanted to, you could do a lot in the microwave. You don't even have to do it in the pan. But that's our chicken parmesan. Thank you for visiting my channel. And we'll do a lot more semi-homemade meals. I enjoy doing these the most out of everything. But you can see how cheesy that is. So thanks for joining me. Be safe. Hit the bell and subscribe. And I'll try to bring you 3 to 5 updates a week. It was slow this week because of the holiday. Talk soon. Peace out.